Yeah, what is up, YouTube? We're back here with another video, man. We finna go on a nighttime POV in a scat. You know what I'm saying? So listen, if you're new to the channel, man, hit the sub button, like, subscribe, comment, turn on post notifications, share my videos, man. I think I said subscribe twice, but who cares? But yeah, man, we in a big scat, nighttime POV. All right. I need y'all to hit that sub button, man. You like car content? This is it. This is it. We in a big scat. You already know what it is, man. Got the flash on and all, man. Yeah. We in a big scat, man. Nighttime POV, baby. It's cold too, by the way, but I ain't gotta let y'all know it's freezing outside. I'm still get out this nighttime POV though. I don't know if I should have my flash on though, fool. I'm gonna get them loud revs and loud and a loud exhaust too, man. We finna hit this bridge and go crazy. Also, we hitting his green lights. Damn, it's cold as hell, bro. Stole a heart. I'm the definition of a bender. We over the bridge now. Damn! Damn! Shit! You got a tap on her. Damn! Come on, man. American muscle, baby. American muscle, baby. I got 21 miles still empty in this hole, too. Man, bruh. Damn. Damn. Had to make a turn somewhere. Yeah. I'm gonna cut in this gas station. Shit, man. Hey, man, she screamed. Trying to tell you, she be screaming, bro. I don't even feel like pumping up, bro, for real. Oh, I know that lady. Yeah, I don't know if y'all can see, but I got 21 miles still empty in this mug, man. Big Scat, the red guts, man. Yeah. Yeah, my gas light just came on. Man, oh man. My baby do get active, bro. She get active. My baby drinking gas, bro. Y'all got the windows down too so y'all can hear this mug. Even though it's cold, I'm gonna get out his nighttime POV though, bro. Jeez! Damn! Y'all see how nice the bridge looked though? Yeah, man, she gonna scream, bro. Remember, if you're new, hit the sub button, man. Like, share, turn on post notifications, comment, man. Let's go. It's about 9 o'clock, about to be 10, I think. Illinois, yeah, yeah. Man. Yeah, yo. God damn, bro, I gotta chill. Oh my God. Yo, bro, this is bad. Oh my goodness. I hope I don't get snitched on, bro, but damn. Come on, bro. Us Mopar guys, man. What are we gonna do when winter hit, bro? We gotta put the cars up for the year, man. Fuck. Shit. Alright, let me chill. 5-0 right there. Put the phone down real quick. Man, bro. Yeah. We outside, man. He trying to line it up. He trying to line it up. I ain't trying to line it up. He not trying to. God, he trying to line it up. He trying to line it up. Say no more. Say no more. Oh, he gone. He gone. Ah, he lucky. Bro trying to line it up. Nah, son, I'm weak. He better not let me catch him at the light. I ain't trying to get tapped, bro. I fuck with it. I fuck with it. Make sure 5-0 ain't near me or something, man. But I'm gonna catch him though. I'm gonna catch him. Yeah. Tap that gas, man. I'm gapping him. I'm gonna take him to Gapplebee's. Don't do that. Don't do that. I'm about to say, fool. Come on now. There go that truck. That's him right there. He try to. Let me catch up to his ass. Show him what I'm about real quick. Make sure no cops around. Oh yeah. Yeah. He don't want no. He don't want no. He don't want the smoke. Yeah. Yes, sir. I love when people do that, bro. Yeah, man, we in a big scat, man. Damn, I had to get gas soon, man. This might be a quick little video, ain't gonna lie. Nah, I got him. I got him. I got him. Okay. Okay. He said that Chevy get up. He said that Chevy get up. Police, bro. I'm scared of police. He ain't trying. He ain't trying. Come on. Come on. Come on. Yeah. I'm dead, bro. Man, oh man. Man, oh man. Like I said, but we had to have fun, but we ain't causing no harm, bro. Yeah. Damn, it's cold as hell, man. Hey, that Chevrolet get up though, bro. No back. No back. Let me go ahead and get in the other lane, man. I don't know where bro going, but he cutting up in traffic. Bro is cutting up. Yeah, bro not playing, bro. Bro is cutting up. Yo, YouTube, my fingers are so numb right now because it's so cold. But that don't matter, but I'm gonna get out this POV, man. Big scat coming through. You gotta get out the way. God. Yeah. Yeah. Put the perks down and pick up the jiggers. I fucking love that shit. Come on, YouTube. I know y'all fuck with that. I know people looking at me in my car like, yo, what is he recording? I'm doing YouTube, bro. Leave me alone. She said, yeah, that's dude right there in the Chevy. He try to race me. All right, YouTube, I'm gonna go to a stopping point so I can rest my hands or something, man. Yeah, I'm empty on gas too, so I might go fill up. I might end the video soon. Oh, I had to pull up on the dude. What up, bro? I know, I see he's like, yo, you trying to race? A good race.
Yeah, it's stock, but...
Nah, you straight, man.
61,000 miles, so they got like 1,200 on the motor, that's it.
Oh, you straight,
it's
bro?
Like a brand new motor.
Yeah. Yeah, I do YouTube, man, so I'm doing like a POV.
I'm riding with Buddy and Kai, the black 6.
Yeah, in that black truck. Yeah. I put him on YouTube, too. But yeah, man, I'm just doing a little POV right now. Yeah. Nighttime with the revs and shit like that. Sir, just see here, big scat. That's my baby. But yeah, man, we gonna end the video one more time. We're just gonna go down the street one more time, and then we gonna end it. But phone about to die. My hands cold, and my fucking Gas about to get out, so keep y'all updated. All right, we back on the road, man. Damn. God damn, she throw my ass back. Oh shit. Holy fuck. Yeah, she ain't playing, bro. Big Scat ain't playing. Damn. Oh shit. 500 ponies in this hoe. Yeah, I'm almost on empty, man. I hate filling up. Bro. That's on bro. We getting to it. We got one last car and truck meet coming to y'all, man, soon, man. So y'all stay tuned for that. All right, YouTube, I'm gonna end the video here, man. Let's go. God damn! If you new, man, hit the like button, subscribe, comment, turn on post notifications, share my videos, baby. We here, man. Do not be a stranger and subscribe, baby. Give y'all all the content y'all need, man. All right, YouTube, I'm gonna catch y'all, man.